Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you've done that, please don't forget to comment below or like the video. Now today we're going to show you how to add columns, text in columns in a Microsoft Word document, and it's so easy. How you do that? Let's say I want to make this paragraph into columns. So what you need to do is to select this paragraph. Let's say I want to do these two paragraphs. I can just select those two paragraphs, and then you will go to layout, and then you can see columns there. Now there's a small arrow there you can click on, and you can decide if you want to have 1 column, 2, 3, or you can have a small on the left, or you can have a small right. So let's try everything. This is only 1. Now let's say I want to do it in 2 columns. I have 2 columns there. Now you can see I have 2 columns. Now if I want to have it to have 4 columns instead of 2, I can just select, and I can have 3 columns. You can see that's the way we do for newspapers. Okay, if I want to have small in the left, I can have 1 small and 1 big one. And if I want small right, I was done. Now in my case I want just to do 2 columns. Yeah, this is how it's done. It's done particularly to the same to only the paragraph you selected. If you want to do the full document, you can do so, but in my case I just wanted to show you how to do this in 2 columns. Now thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. We do provide tutorials every single day. Now if you have any question, don't forget to comment below. And if you want us to do any particular videos in a particular video on what you want to know, or if you want to ask any question, please comment below. And if you haven't subscribed, again, please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.